BGM stock analysis and BGM stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, what I'll be doing here is just showing you my exact play with BGM Group. We're sitting at $13.05 with a 2.5% increase in price. I'm looking to double down on this. And my previous color was so on point. Let me show you proof. This is what I'm telling you, like sitting at 13.20 at the time, 8 days back. Patient enough to wait for my confirmation. Right, this is so good. It went from 13 to 16. Very simple, very decent, and it just gave me the second break, and it did its thing. So what I'm gonna do here is just still wait to just jump in yet again, as long as there is a second confirmation. And if that's not the case, then bro, I guess I'm not gonna be buying again. But I'm very patient. I have other tickers that I'm following, so it's really just an abundant mindset. Never go like run after a trade. Just wait for rules. And if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one. So goodbye and enjoy.